Hi, everybody. This is our recording for April 2nd. That is Thursday, April 2nd. And today it's a very quick recording because I will still be grading your constructives. You can log on when you come on to see what kind of corrections you need to make, but I may not be done with all of them. I promise that I will be done with them by the time you log into class on Friday. However, today I want to just remind you what we're going to do with, or what we're going to attempt to do with these debates. So I'm going to go into our Schoology page, move my little face over. All right, so here we are in the Schoology page, and the place that you want to look at is right over here where it says conferences. Today, when I'm done recording this screencast, you'll have a new April 2nd folder up here, and then I'm also going to put in that April, or on this homepage right here, I'm going to put information about when your debates happen. I believe we're going to keep 3 p.m. as the time for the start time for all the debates. The reason that I want to do 3 p.m. is because there's a huge traffic jam of people logging into Schoology from 10 until 2 every day. And so if we do a conference at 3, I'm hoping it'll work. So what I've done is, if you go into your Schoology page, it should look something like this. This is what it looks like to Paige because I'm pretending I'm Paige right now. So if you go into that, you'll click on that conferences off to the side, and you'll see that I'm going to be setting up all the different debates right here. And so I have Eric versus Anna is Monday the 6th, and we're going to do begin at 3 and hopefully be done by 4. So I will be starting the conference probably at 5 minutes to 3 or so. And Eric and Anna and anyone else who wants to see how it works, it's going to be available for you too. And you'll be able to see Eric and Anna. Once I start the conference, this little box right here should say something like join conference. So if you click on that, then make sure you have your webcams on, and your picture will pop up on my screen. I am hoping, against hope, that I will be able to transfer the power of the webcam to you so that your face will fill up the screen while you are talking and doing your part of the debate. And then I'll switch to the other person so that their face will fill up the screen while they are doing the debate. I haven't actually done this with anyone yet, so we'll see how it works out. Now, I was hoping that maybe I could try doing that with a couple of you tomorrow. So I'm thinking of the people that I have actual direct contact with, and that would be Paige Bantner, Paige, and then either Kimber, maybe Kimber. I don't know, but I'll try to contact a couple of you, and I'd like to try to do a trial version of this tomorrow or Friday just to kind of see how it is. So if any of you in class, I'm going to put another discussion on there and want to say, I'll do your trial conference. We'll just get together. I'll set a conference time for 3 p.m. on Friday just as a practice so that I can play around with what it'll do. If we can get 2 or 3 people, I will put a practice conference up on Friday and you can log in and we'll just kind of practice how it's going to work. Please help me out with this because I've never done this before. So I want to make sure that I'm doing whatever I can to make this good for you. Okay, so once again, to do this, you go from the Rhetoric and Research page. This is what it looks like for me, not what it looks like for you. And I'll quick show it as, let's pretend I am Carson this time. Okay, so from the Rhetoric and Research page, over here to the side, you've got Materials, Updates, Grades, Mastery, and Conferences. You're going to click on Conferences, And when it's your time to debate, or if you want to watch someone else's debate, you'll see that I'll have the time set up and I'll say start conference. Again, on Friday, I want to try to do a mock like trial just to see how it works. So I'm asking Kimber and Paige for sure. Can you two be on at 3 o'clock on Friday? Anyone else who wants to join at 3 o'clock on Friday, you'll see the trial debate will be set for 3 o'clock on Friday in the conferences tab. And then you can click on that. Okay. I miss seeing your faces and seeing you in person. That's why I'm hoping this conference really works and that we can see you. So make sure that when you do log in, you're in a well lit room so that we can see your face and it's not dark or you're not up against a window. Because if you're up against a window or there's light behind you, then you're going to look like that, which is not as good. Okay? All right. So hopefully we'll get this taken care of. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Be nice to your parents. And just keep up with your stuff. Take care. Bye.